Hi, the best match for a koi fish in sumi painting is lotus flower. So naturally, after teaching a workshop on painting koi fish, our next one will be on lotus. So in this workshop, what I will talk about is classic of all my floral sumi workshop. I will start with the structure of the flower. We will look at how the flower is constructed, the inside and some unique quality, how it looks when it is above, like in full bloom, and also when it start fading away. Besides the lotus flower, we will also talk about the lotus leaf. And the lotus leaf is easy to draw but hard to master. So I do have a sample of a real lotus leaf. So we will also study the vein arrangement and also how we can actually depict it in calligraphic stroke. So in this workshop, we will cover both way of painting the lotus with the outline method, but also we will work on doing the lotus in the without an outline and full colors, and also to talk about how to apply simple limited palette or with a brilliant palette in the Lingnan style. So I hope to see you in a future workshop working on Lotus. Thank you.